Welcome to Winner's Bench. The best 67 XL Black Ink Cartridge for HP printers is probably one of the most essential components for anyone relying on their HP printer for daily tasks, whether it's printing important documents for work, creative projects for school, or cherished photos for your family album. Ensuring you have a reliable and high-quality ink cartridge can make all the difference in the clarity, crispness, and longevity of your printed materials, and choosing the right one means avoiding frustrating smudges, faded prints, and costly printer malfunctions. Number 5. HP 67 Black Tricolor Ink Cartridges, 2-pack. Get consistent quality, reliability, and value with these essential ink cartridges. They are engineered to work seamlessly with your HP printers. These cartridges are compatible with a wide range of HP DeskJet printers, including models from the 1255, 2700, and 4100 series. Enjoy hassle-free printing with your HP Envy printers, such as those in the 6000 and 6400 series. Perfect for your everyday home, office, and small business printing tasks. You can count on them for reliable performance. Take advantage of instant ink eligibility for convenient ink replenishment. This ensures you never run out of ink when you need it most. Experience crisp black text and vibrant tricolor images. They deliver the quality you expect from HP. What we like. This is a great option if you need both black and color printing. It's eligible for HP's Instant Ink program, which can save you money on ink. If you want a convenient and reliable printing experience from a trusted brand, this is a solid choice. What people say. The cartridge was easy to install and the printer recognized it immediately. Print quality is excellent, with sharp text and vibrant colors. The ink capacity is generous, providing a good number of pages before needing replacement. Number 4. HP 67 XL Black High-Yield Ink Cartridge. Introducing the HP 67 XL Black High-Yield Ink Cartridge, designed for exceptional printing performance. Get more pages with this high-yield option. Engineered to work seamlessly with your HP printer, it ensures consistent quality and reliability with every print. You can trust it for all your printing needs. This cartridge is compatible with a range of HP DeskJet and Envy series printers. Check the list to ensure it's the right fit for your device. Enjoy approximately 240 pages of high-quality black and white printing. This high-yield cartridge means fewer replacements and more printing. This cartridge is eligible for HP's Instant Ink program. Save money and never run out of ink again with this convenient service. Whether for home, office, or small business, it's the perfect choice for your everyday printing requirements. Experience the difference of genuine HP ink. What we like. Choose this if your primary need is black and white printing and you print frequently. The high-yield cartridge means fewer replacements and a lower cost per page for black ink. If you're looking to maximize your printing volume for black text documents, this is the one to get. What people say. Color is dark and does not fade. Easy to see and read. Very, very good coloring. Dark, clear black that doesn't smudge and smear. They are not fudging about high yield. Not high yield gray printed pages, rather high yield black, and color, clear printed pages. Easy to replace. Slide out old cartridge, slide in new cartridge. Number 3. 67 XL Ink Cartridges Black Color Combo 2-pack. Get vibrant and clear prints with our high-quality ink cartridges. They are designed for a seamless printing experience, ensuring your documents and photos look their best. These cartridges are compatible with a wide range of HP DeskJet and Envy printers. Enjoy reliable performance across many models, making it easy to keep your printer running. Print more for less with our high page yield. The black cartridge offers up to 710 pages, and the tricolor cartridge provides up to 460 pages, reducing the frequency of replacements. Our cartridges feature an upgraded chip for easy recognition and installation. Simply pop them in and start printing without any hassle. This convenient 2-pack includes one black and one tricolor ink cartridge. It's a cost-effective solution to ensure you always have ink on hand for your printing needs. To ensure optimal performance, please avoid updating your printer's firmware, as the latest updates may affect cartridge compatibility. What we like. This combo pack offers a high page yield for both black and color, making it cost-effective for heavy users. It comes with an upgraded chip for better compatibility and accurate ink level display. If you print a lot of documents and photos and want a high-volume solution, this is a strong contender. What people say. Works well with my HP printer. This does a great job. Fits the printer and work well. Easy to install, color quality is good and durable. Number 2. H&BO TOPMAE Remanufactured Ink Cartridge Replacement for HP 6767 XL. Introducing our remanufactured ink cartridges, designed to be a perfect fit for your HP Envy and DeskJet printers. Get vibrant and reliable prints every time. These cartridges are compatible with a wide range of HP models, including the Envy 6000 series and DeskJet 2700 series. Enjoy hassle-free installation and printing. Experience impressive print volumes with approximately 625 pages for black and 475 pages for color. This means fewer replacements and more printing for your money. Our cartridges feature the latest upgraded chips, ensuring accurate ink level display and optimal performance. They are strictly tested for high-quality printouts. Choose our remanufactured ink cartridges for dependable daily document printing, reports, and graphics. We are committed to meeting all your printing needs with sincere service. This package includes 2 remanufactured ink cartridges, one black 67XL and one tricolor 67XL. Get everything you need to get printing right away. What we like. This remanufactured option provides a high page yield at a potentially lower cost than original HP cartridges. It's designed to be a reliable alternative for both black and color printing. If you're budget conscious and need a high-volume ink solution without compromising too much on quality, consider this. What people say. Arrived well packed, and the printer recognized the cartridges just fine. I work from home and have to print a lot of docs. I was always running out of ink and running to my local stores to buy them. With this cartridges, I stock up on them so I never run out. They are of very high quality, easy to install and print perfect. The black was. Returned them both and received new cartridges that both worked. Number 1. HP 67 Black Ink Cartridge. Introducing the HP 67 Black Ink Cartridge, designed for exceptional printing performance. It's engineered to work seamlessly with your HP printer, ensuring consistent quality and reliability. This cartridge is compatible with a range of HP DeskJet and HP Envy printers. You can rely on it for your everyday printing needs at home or in the office. Enjoy the convenience of HP Instant Ink. This cartridge is eligible, meaning you can save on ink and have it delivered right to your door when you need it. Get consistent, reliable results with every print. It's perfect for all your printing tasks, from documents to photos, ensuring your memories and work look their best. With an approximate yield of 120 pages, this cartridge offers great value for your printing needs. It's a smart choice for both home and small business use. Choose HP ink cartridges for trusted quality and performance. They are specifically designed to deliver outstanding results with your HP printer, every time. What we like. This is your go-to for standard black and white printing needs. It offers the consistent quality and reliability you expect from HP for everyday tasks. If you print occasionally and need a dependable black ink cartridge for documents and general use, this standard option is perfect. What people say. This cartridge is a direct replacement for the HP 67 XL and works perfectly. The XL size means it holds more ink, so it lasts longer than the standard cartridge. Print quality is sharp and clear, with no smudging or streaking. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.